How to get Chrome extensions on iOS, or is it possible? In today's video, we're going to answer a question that a lot of people are asking. Can you get Chrome extensions on iOS? And if so, how? I'll break it down all for you, so stay tuned. First off, make sure your Chrome is up to date. Now open your Chrome app and simply search for Can I get Google extension on iPhone? As you can see, Chrome on iOS doesn't support extensions unlike on desktop or even Android. Apple's restriction on the mobile version of Chrome mean that you can't install or use Chrome extensions directly within the app. While Chrome doesn't support extension on iOS, Safari does. So what you need to do is open your settings app. Scroll down and tap on apps and simply find Safari. Now once you've opened Safari, here you can find extensions. Simply tap to open it. Here you can add extension by simply clicking on more extension, or you can simply install Safari extensions from the App Store. To get this started, simply open App Store and search for Safari extensions, and you'll see a range of 4 ad blocking, privacy tools, and productivity apps. You can install all these various extensions for Safari settings. And that's it. That's how you can simply add extension on your iOS. Unfortunately, Chrome doesn't support extension on iOS, but you can have it by adding it on Safari.